Ooh, I'm so scared. Fuck you. Fuck your city. Not trying to look hard. I promise you, nigga. You try me, your ass going on a t-shirt. You want a medium, large, small? I'm gonna show you how hard I am, nigga. I'm actually a cool guy, but just know I ain't going for shit. For sure. Putting your ass down. If it come to my life or yours, I'm putting your ass down. And one last thing, man. Don't take me seriously with them stupid, ignorant ass videos. That shit just be for views. But in real life, don't play with me, bro.